Where am I heading? To a less known waterfall, Dumla Waterfall. To reach the spot was not an easy task. It was literally man versus wild, Tripura version reaching the place. First, we got down at Ujan Maidan village, which is 7 kilometers away from the Tulashikhar R.D Block office in Khowai district, which is in Tripura. And then, our 3 kilometers long trekking started through unruly roads, slippery streams, taking life on risk, legs trembling, lungs exhausted, and heart pounding. We managed to get to the spot. The rubber tree, you can see the latex is being collected over here. And so the same process goes everywhere. Just a small cut is done here, and by the time it flows drop by drop, and then it is collected and processed. Here. There is the waterfall. We'll just get there. Well, in the rainy season, it will not be advised to come here, but it is worth it. Come with your sneakers. It will be worth it. Oh, I can hear the sound of the serene water flowing over there. So I have to go down. We have to go down now. खींच नहीं रही हूँ. The bamboos are being cut so that they help us walk through this road. There is the waterfall which we are just here. They are cutting the bamboo for us so that we can walk properly with the help of it. All the way up there for the waterfall. Yay. God help us. God help the people of Tripura. I hope everything will be fine. One person has already slipped in the road, in the way to the stream. But now we have not come for the stream, we have come for the actual waterfall. So we are exhausted, but we are going. Man versus wild, the Girl from Agartala edition. We are risking our lives and going down for the waterfall. As you can see how we are coming over here. God save us, God save the people of Tripura. We have come all the way from there, sitting and coming down with both our hands because the road is wet and it's slippery. It is a rocky road, and here it's just like a dream. It's just like a dream, this waterfall. This is pure natural water. So good, you know. It's worth it.
because I'm from the far, that's why you cannot see it very well, but it's very calming, and oh my god, our legs have been shaking. Our staff is still stuck there. They're trying to come, but it's like a dream, like you see in a dream that you come in a forbidden fairy land or forbidden forest kind of story. It's my habit that when I see some scenery, I just build up a story in my head looking at it. I can spend hours and hours here. Our legs are still shaking, but I'm worried how we are going to go back. It's the same way back, one way, and I'm worried, but we'll rest here. People should be careful that they don't come here during rainfall. See, from the top it is flowing. I wish I had a good camera, but this is just a Samsung. So be careful not to slip. Wear shoes like me. Okay, so let's go.
The network was almost not available, but still, I dared to go live on YouTube a couple of days ago. No, I just couldn't stop myself from going live. You must also have seen that we have caught some crabs there. The locals say that they catch a lot of crabs at night there, but the road is no joke. But, the block development officer told us that the state government, along with Forest and Tourism Department, has planned a project to set up an eco park here and construct roads and bridges. And railings will be placed for the safety factor. So it's a good news that this place will be soon opened as a tourist attraction. You must come here with proper shoes which are slip-proof, and you need to have a guide with you. We were so afraid how we would go back. Somehow we made our way back. The fear of slipping made us even more tired to climb back up, but thank God everything went well. This place is serene and I could just read or think peacefully. It's winter here, so their water is comparatively less this time, but during the rain, the water flows well. Hopefully soon the eco park will be opened and everyone could enjoy coming here. Keep watching The Girl from Agartala and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you.